In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn how to make combined column and line charts.
Step 1. Select the line and column chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Expand the visuals by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to x-axis. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to y-axis. Select sales data, then drag and drop sales to line y-axis field. Select product, then drag and drop product to x-axis under country. Step 3. Now we will drill down. To display country and product in the x-axis, select the icon for expand all down one level in the hierarchy level down. Now we have our revenue columns in descending order. Let's change the sort order. To do that, we will select filter on visual and then select the revenue and then select the ascending order. You can customize this as per your requirements. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel, The BI Nerd, and check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.